We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Tamela. If you like the video and you like what you see, then be sure to stick around and subscribe for new videos. We would love to have y'all join a part of our little family. And today we have a little bit of a last minute video. I was actually done filming for the day and I walked outside to leave to go run some errands. And let me cover up my address. My Stitch Fix box was here on the porch. I didn't even hear the mailman come. So my battery's blinking like it's about to die because I didn't plan on filming another video. But we're just going to try to run through it and unbox it for you guys. This is my first Stitch Fix box. My first Stitch Fix box. I've never got one, so I'm kind of excited. Obviously, I haven't opened it just because I just got it. I pulled the bag out, the return bag. Then this, I don't know what this is. Oh, is this like outfit suggestions for what I got? Oh, I don't want to know if that's what it is. I'm not sure. I don't know what this is. Thanks for letting us style you. Oh, I guess it's just like a card with their social media and stuff. And this is what inside the box looks like. Oh, you can't. This does no help to you guys. You can't see it. Though inside the box, is that jeans in there? I see. Inside the box is really, really pretty. So I'm excited about it. I hope the audio isn't bad because I'm just rumbling around in this box. But obviously I have not tried any of the stuff on yet. You'll see. I'm going to do a try on part, so you'll see in the try on if it fit or not. But, oh, this looks, oh, what's this? This is, does it tell you how much it is if you keep it? I guess that's somewhere on those papers. This is actually kind of cute. I'm not hating this. This is, what? No, I'm hating this. This isn't a size large. Now, do I look like I'm a size large? I don't know who, I mean, I'll try, we'll try. I mean, I don't know why they would, I did not pick a size large, so I don't know why they would give me something that's a size large, but, I mean, the top itself is cute, so that's the first thing in there. And this thing, I love this color, this is like one of my favorite colors ever. And this one's in a size large too, what's happening? I have questions. I mean, like, this is really pretty and this is really cute, but I mean, maybe it fits. Maybe they know their sizing. I don't know. You'll see. But this is a really cute cami, but I'm really, honestly, really thrown off by the sizing. But, I don't know. I really do like this color, though. I have one of the camis from Torrid that have, like, the layer at the bottom in this color, and I really, really like it. I'm sorry if this looks thrown together, but that's because it quite honestly is. I literally walked outside, saw the box, turned right back around, set everything back up, and was like, let's do it. These are a pair of... Look. What's going on here? These are in a size large too. And first of all, I don't know, they're stretchy. This does not look like it's gonna fit me. I mean, I'm trying to have hopes and dreams with this here. I was really excited about getting my first Stitch Fix box. This is not sponsored, by the way. I bought it. I was really excited about it, but keep going. Okay, these last two things look like jeans. No, this is, can you see? I got my vitamins back there. This, what is this? These are jeans. No, yes, no, yes. No, it's a jean jacket. Okay, this is in, you guessed it, people, a large. I don't know who they mixed me up with in Stitch Fix because, I mean, this does look, no, there's no way. I mean, if this was in my size, it's very stretchy. I mean, I'm going to try all of it on if it will go over my boobs or something, but I don't know what, I'm honestly very confused. This is what it looks like. I mean, it's a very cute little denim situation. Don't wear large. Let's pull out these jeans and see what size the jeans are. Oh no, this isn't jeans either. This is also a denim jacket. And this is in a size large. Maybe I just don't know about their, maybe I just don't know about their sizing or something. This is what this one's really cute. I actually really like this, but that just doesn't look like my arm is gonna look. Let's try it right now. No, that's not. Can we? Do you? So I pulled off this paper, and the things on the paper are right. They are things that I would wear, and they are in the correct sizes, but nothing in the box was the same. So I think that they made a mistake and sent me the wrong size stuff in the box. Like, they switched my box with somebody else's. They gave me the right paper though. So that's a little bit of a bummer, guys. Like, I'm sorry. Obviously I'm not gonna try any of that on because it's not the right size. But I guess I'll contact them today and see if they can send me, I mean, I'm sure they will, see if they'll send me another box. But I'm sorry that this is the end of my Stitch Fix haul and that there's not a try on, but and also that it was thrown together because I didn't realize the box was on the porch. But that's just how we roll around here. Sometimes, you know, you just gotta go with the flow, roll with the punches. So I'm gonna, after I get done filming this, I'm actually gonna email them and see what the deal is with that, because that was a little disappointing. Obviously mistakes happen, so it's no big deal. I will actually just email them when I get done filming this. But thank y'all so much for watching my little thrown together Stitch Fix haul and try on / not try on, because none of it's my size. I really hope that y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys in the next one.
So take me away, some other place.